Holy smokes, that's a big log. Definitely the capacity of this 445 case. Let's give you guys a little better angle. Look at the size of this monster. That is one big log. Hey folks, welcome back to Around the Yard. We are moving some big cottonwood again today. This came out a heck of a lot easier than I thought it was gonna, so that's awesome. I was envisioning having to cut this thing down into like an 8-foot chunk instead of, I don't know, 12, 13, something like that. All right, got my tape measure. So end to end, this thing is 13'5" or 13'4", 160 inches. So that should be more than enough for the sawmill. they're gonna make pallets out of these or something like that. So yeah, so this is an awesome log to haul off. There's another one. Let's measure some of these other ones here. There's a bad spot right here in this log, so we'll go to about here. And there's a fork right up there. So that's not a great log, but the next one is, the next one is, the next one is. A little bit of a bow to it, but not too bad. So let's get this bigger one. We'll get the bigger one first. I think they need like 8 or 9 feet. So like this is 9 feet to here. So that would be a spot we could cut. And then, let's see here. Just wondering if I can get another 8-footer out of this. Yeah, 8 feet right to here, right to the edge. So we'll get like 2 8/6s out of this. That'd be perfect. Going to the next one back. This is kind of a knot with about a 3 or 4 foot piece on it. Yeah. So we got about 4 feet, and then we got this knot right here. So if we start after that, let's try that differently. There we go. We got 8 feet in here, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 feet right to there. So like 13/6, that'll fit in the trailer. If I cut that about where we need to cut it down there, that's probably a little bit into the knot. So we can come maybe 6 inches this way and 3-4 inches ahead of this piece right here that's just out of frame. That's kind of where this other double barrel was. So someplace right in here, make that cut. We should be 13 feet. That'll set in the trailer nice. Then we got this next one. Blue El Camino just drove by. Don't see that every day. So let's see here. There. 8, 9. That's about a 10-foot log. So the next one back is 10. The next one back, if we clean up, it'll also be 10 or 11. So this whole pile can probably go to the sawmill. All right, folks, that might wrap up this video for today. I just wanted to kind of get this other bigger log up here and then get stuff measured out to kind of find out what was going to go to the sawmill and what wasn't. I've got to kind of piece together this bigger pile here, but I've got the trailer in the way and I don't have the truck at the moment, so can't move the trailer. Actually, I suppose I could with the skid loader. I've got one of those trailer moving plates, but honestly, it's starting to get a little warm out here and just wanted to get a few things done this morning. So like I said, we got those logs measured up, got that big one out of the ravine down there, so that's good. I've got a little bit more cleanup to do down there, so I might actually take this thing down off camera and just kind of clean up some of the debris and sticks and drop it in the trailer. Hoping to get another run to the dump here maybe Tuesday, Wednesday. Thursday heading out to Paul Bunyan's show, so gonna kind of hit that a little bit. Hopefully I can catch you guys if you're gonna make it down there.